nagbabalik po dito sa Boy and Chris habang nagpupulungan kami ni Cass. Okay, may mga litrato tayo ng mga celebrities, babae at lalaki na nakapalibot dito sa ating audience. Valerie, ikaw, pili ka nga ng isa and tell us kung ano ang pinaka-hot sa celebrity na yon. Ayan, sige nga.
Si Papa Piolo talaga.
What's hot about Piolo para sa'yo?
I don't know. Sobrang lakas ng appeal niya sa akin. As in, pag nakikita ko siya in person, parang...
Long hair or short hair? Saan ka mas naaapilan? Ako short. Ikaw? Sa
Kahit
kanya?
ano carry niya ko eh.
Oh, okay.
Totoo naman eh.
Hindi, kasi nung short, for me, his sexiest part talaga is the jawline. So, lumalabas talaga yung ganda nung pang...
Right. Ako mata. Ni
Mata,
Piolo.
mata.
Okay, Jan, ikaw, pili. Mabilisan lang.
Ako,
Sa girls.
lahat naman may parang ano eh, oh. Pwede mga 4.
Saan?
Pwede mga 4, piliin ko.
Hindi, isa lang. Go,
ba?
go.
Sige, let him choose 4
Okay,
na.
4, go.
Well, si Tony Mariel, of course. Oo, nandiyan, Tony Mariel.
Ano ba?
Siyempre, si
Shaina.
Maha and Shaina.
Ito, oh. Okay, dito na lang kay Shaina kasi wala na tayo masyadong oras. What's hot about Shaina?
Well, yung lips niya.
Lips, okay. Naiintindihan namin. Mariel, go.
Oh, I will choose...
Yung totoo.
Doon na lang ako kay Richard Gutierrez.
Sino?
Kasi friend mo from high school pa, diba?
So I saw him transform. He used to be chubby. And then now, look at him naman. He's so hot.
Yeah, okay. Wendy, ikaw.
Siyempre si Bruce.
What's
from the abs, personality.
personalidad? Bruce, ikaw.
Siyempre si
Wendy. Aside from the sexy body, ano yun? Ano meron?
Yung mata sa inyo.
Mata, okay. Ikaw, Cass.
Si Vong.
Vong, oo nga.
Totoo naman sexy si Vong talaga.
That's true.
eh.
What's sexiest about Vong?
The whole package. Si Vong. Ha? Mabango si Vong. Oo, mabango si Vong.
Okay. Bago tayo makarating kung saan,
No, he's
He is.
lean but defined.
very neat also.
Yes.
Very
and
neat.
beautiful. Congratulations. I watched last night.
I also did.
Lalo na the opening with Tony.
Yeah.
Ay, it was so cute.
Congratulations, Elastic Man. Hot na hot sa mga boys and girls. Wendy, at one point, mainit ang balita na nalink ka sa aming kaibigan na si Paolo Bidiones. Okay? Nag-date kayo dati at tinanggap niyo yun. Panoorin mo ito.
For the first and last time about that issue, no? We dated for several months. We were very close. We had with a good friendship going on. I never denied that I went out with her. In fact, I'm very happy for her sa career niya ngayon. If she has a relationship with someone, then I'm really happy for her as well.
Ang sinabi kanina, Wendy, ni Paolo, yes, we went out and he wishes you the best kung ano man ang relasyon na kinaroroonan mo. Would you like to react? Nais mo sa rin kay Paolo?
Same thing. Opo. Yeah.
You wish him the best?
Yeah, I wish him the best. And when we went out before, talagang okay naman kami.
Okay.
O, ito na si Uma. Panoorin natin.
Wala naman, namasikat. Namasikat at saka mabait. Hindi ko makikirag sa'yo, Wendy. Diba? Mas mahaba nga buhok niya sa akin at saka maganda ang buhok niya. Pero siya maganda ang balak ko. Ano ang sasabi ko?
Umagang-umaga, intriga.
So, nila, alam mo, boy, because of all those comments, I really had to touch her skin.
Okay.
Sabi ko, pa-touch ka. Ano ang issue dyan sa balat? Alam mo, malambot. At ano talaga, smooth. Touch mo.
Ito naman.
Ito lang naman, braso lang eh. Go.
Sino pa? Si Wendy. I was joking. Okay, Wendy, would you like to comment?
Wendy.
I know.